All right, today we're gonna bring an attic cover, and this is actually perfect for those that have covers and don't have the proper tools. They give you the instructions, all right, included. Not only the instructions are included, but they also give you the staple gun that you're gonna require to make sure this grabs on right. I do have an attic. I'm gonna show you my attic. It goes all the way up here, and we're gonna bring it down right now and gonna show you exactly how to put it on right now and see how easy it looks from the inside and the outside. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, go and set it up. Okay, bring it down slowly. As you can see, bring it down. Put the chair, the ladder down. Got the ladder. Can make sure I could go up there first. And this is a space that we're gonna set up our stuff in here, all around here. Staple this thing together and see how it works. We'll go up there. Start stapling this stuff. We just have to make sure that the front first, because this is where we're gonna set up all the main important things on the edge right here. Staple here. Make sure you grab it. That's one right there. That's two. That's three. Okay, there we have it. We're done with the attic part, except for here. Still need some of it here. There we go. Alright, so here we have it. We're completely done. We covered it all around it. We have a zipper, access to a zipper. We could prevent heat and any kind of air or any bugs, any outdoor activities that are coming in from here. Heat, keep the heat out when you don't need it. Keep the cold in when you do need it. So look at that. It's breathing in because it's all the air that's trying to come in through and ventilate through here. So we have it all through our attic. Now let's go check it out on the other side so you guys can see how it looks. And very simple, just to slip it in here, cover it up, and see how it looks from the inside out. Get the zipper. All right, so whenever you want to access your attic, you can do it easily with this thing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.